I'm back for the second half. This time I'm turning off the sound because after I watched the first video, yeah, I regret. So, the armory is starting where we get the upgrade and all that. I usually upgrade my miners first, but the sword raft. Archidons are so keen at. I'm gonna upgrade them. Oh, and this is gonna be uploaded the same day I upload last video. So it's probably gonna take a while. Ooh, yeah, we have to ambush first. Then we have to go back. I'm gonna do both of those in this video. Yeah, oh man. Okay. If that's offensive to any of you out there, I'm sorry. So we're gonna just do that. We already have a attack and ambush.
Man the fort.
Got to man the force. And then we got him. Good. Yeah. We're going to train up a bunch of men. Oh. And YouTube. I didn't mention in my last video. But this video is for adult. No. Technically, kids age 5. Well, age 8 and up. So, yeah, this video is for kids. I just noticed that when I was in my last video.
Defend.
I think these are the last few guys. So, I didn't actually wait for the views to come in. I just made a second video for no reason. So if you want this to turn into a series, I'm only going to do these two. If you want this to turn into a series, just share it with your friends. Yep, we win. There's a chest right there. So, no, bad. I'm gonna have to flip and edit that out. No, bad. So, what we're going to do now, we're going to upgrade the miner bag once. We're going to upgrade the miner bag once. So, now that we've done that, you can see they can now hold more. Now hold 102. We're going to get one Archidon and one guy. Do 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 do. Okay. So, 4 minutes in already. And wow. in this one, they do come up and attack us. So, what I do when I'm going against a sword run, I get as much front gas as I can, probably 3 to 4 rows. 3 to 4 rows, then I get about two rows and Archidons. Then I go out and attack them. It's a lot easier that way. Especially if you're playing this game in the tournament. And you're going at a bunch of swordmen. Get reinforcement. So right now we have have we lost one in place. What I do after battle is I take them back. Then those guys come up and attack them. I take them back so they can heal. I always pronounce that wrong. So, once they're done healing, I usually take them out. Yeah.
Defend!
I usually take them out. Yeah, we need one more man. Then we need... We need 6 others. I think I miscounted. I counted that on the board, so I messed me up. Counted on the actual game. I counted. So I thought I messed up. How many deaths we got? 2. Okay, I already replaced those. I don't care. Five more men to replace. So, comment down below how you guys are liking this game so far. If you like it more, I will upload the next video. But if not, I don't know. Maybe I'll just play a different game. I'm still gonna play this game on channel though. May not turn into a complete series, but just play it then there. Ooh, we lost 4. I don't know one. Yeah. Well, if you guys are liking this game so far, thank you. You guys are the only support I have right now. Because it's spring break where I am at. And it's 4:26 a.m. I couldn't go to sleep. I still can't go to sleep. It's horrible. So right now you're the only support I have. When you ask if Tony Mikacha is my girlfriend, she is lesbian. attack really already. Nice man attack. We lost 3 in that battle. 1, 2, 3. Yay. And then again, go really check out Rygar Rocky. He is amazing. He makes a lot of Minecraft videos. I did that because I don't have a laptop. I'm using my phone right now. Attack! So right now we are sieging their base. Okay, Hiya. Turn off the sound. Then turn off the sound. Yeah. So I'm sending out some Mormon. Fall back. Defend your country. You have to admit, those are some skilled archers. Attack! I have a bow myself. Attack the statue of all you got. Dang! That guy just get a double kill? Down. Perfecto. So, I'm going to show you what we do with gems in this game. You guys saw nothing. Okay. So, you can buy stuff. Like, I have 180 gems. I can buy this amazing thing called a statue turret, which is going to be so useful for the next video. If you guys like it, I'm just going to go ahead and upgrade this. Okay. So, if you like this video, you know what to do. Oh, and by the way, this is where I got the skins. Yeah, see right here? I got the leaf skins. You know, I could have got a leaf skin for the Archidons. So everybody can have a leaf skin. So, yes. Buddy, this is going to be our video for today. It was way longer than the other video. Bye, guys. See you next video. If I can do this. Bye.